Good old laundry day. NASDAQ trapping underneath that last bull bar. The next dip likely into these 45s or so is going to be bulls trying to pick it up. They only made it down to 47s. I got to stop talking out loud. They're not letting it happen. All right. Can we get a dip down into the 45s? There we go. Nice little pulse down into the lows. Nice little dip down into that base. Nice little fill on that extra one. See if you can get a pulse back up above like the 47s or so for the next continuation phase. Beautiful bull bar. And we'll take the scalp back out. Nice. First in, first out. I think the first one's still a loss. No, the first one's actually a win. Nice. So all of them were technically wins. The first one's basically a scratch, though. Nice little addition on that secondary dip, though. Sellers still kind of pushing back a little bit, but at least in the NASDAQ, they're trying to make higher highs this time around. It's early. I mean, we're still fighting the drift